Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing vlog. Actually today I'm shooting a video. It's an advert video of a drone shot mixed up with some footage, which it's just a food photography and even hotel and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna share with you guys something which is so great. And further ado or further info, I'm just gonna do something which is so great and awesome. And right now, as you can see, I'm on the setup, and you can see the drone here. I didn't just do anything yet, and I'm just planning right now to wind up some stuff so as I can just catch up with it and get things done. So yeah, that's what's up. Enjoy this amazing vlog of today, and yeah.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of
Interference right now, so I have to switch the drone. The thing about DJI Phantom 3 sometimes standard, it's the only thing which makes it a little bit minimal whenever you're doing some calculation, a logarithm throughout how it goes. A logarithm, I just add something there. Connection right now, after the second connection, I think it's going to be sparking very well. And let me just input the password again, because I don't know why just do this way. Dear DJI, just fix the DJI Phantom 3 standard into a good way. Yeah, I got connection to fly just like that. So
yeah, nice see you. Yeah. Careful.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never.
So I'm actually doing something which is so awesome. I've shot all the videos, like the drone shot, the inside video. So just stay tuned so as I can share with you guys my kind of review out of it. How's the shot done? I think further I'm going to just step by and head to see Pax right now, and after that, you know, the musician, have you seen the video which I shot, the music video? If you didn't check it out, I'll leave a card here, somewhere here, or I'll leave a link down below in the description so some of you guys can go and check it out. And it's an awesome music. And should I just talk about it right now? Okay, let me just explain it. First thing first, long story short, it's such an amazing kind of music video which is so awesome. Long story short, on the music video is something which is so awesome. I just captured myself into different kind of perspective throughout shooting the video. First thing first, we had a minimal amount of time shooting the video. Secondly, tomorrow is the biggest day, which then means it's 31st of December, which I'm going to just capture some incredible kind of next music update. I'm just updating you guys. But on the music video, it's such an amazing thing. I used the drone, I used the Lumix, I used the Sony. They all did a great job. We used even something which is so great, the Mi Max 3. Now you'll ask yourself, how did I use this phone to shoot a music video? Well, we were running out of juice on the cameras, so I had a little bit to just use the phone so as I can get different kind of perspective throughout the phone. So I think to my own kind of aspect for this kind of amazing episode, I hope you enjoyed. And last but not least, I'm going to just sign out, and I'm going to check you guys on the next amazing vlog. I know you missed out a lot of vlogs, and I don't want to talk a lot about it, but I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace. Kudos.